So, very good morning to all of you. And the topic of today, that is the salivary glands. About the salivary glands, we would highlight to that what type of these glands are present, where these are present, and what is their function. So, about the salivary glands, these salivary glands, these are the glands which are present in our buccal cavity or oral cavity. The important function that they secrete the saliva, which is very much helpful in making the food soft and for easy swallowing, and it also help in the digestion. Now let us come to know that what type of the salivary glands are present, what is their classification, or we can say what different types. The first type, the largest salivary gland, this is called as the parotid. Parotid, these are two, one on each side near the ear, and the second one, which is called as the submandibular salivary gland. Again, this is a pair, size is about walnut, and present beneath the jawbone, that is in the lower portion. And the third one is the sublingual. The sublingual, these are the smallest glands. This is a small pair of the glands which is present beneath the tongue or below the tongue. Now, these salivary glands, they have the typical structure. The salivary gland contain the duct, as we have shown in the diagram. The duct, which is surrounded by the duct epithelium. The duct, it branch and rebranch, and at the ending of these branches there are present the mucous cells and the serous cells which secrete their secretions. Now, so for the salivary gland, the salivary gland, they secrete the saliva. The saliva, how much saliva it is secreted? Approximately 1 liter per day. This is the secretion by the salivary glands. And what is the composition of this saliva? The saliva, this is a colorless, watery, without any smell. It is sticky, slightly sticky fluid which is secreted by these salivary glands. Important function. What are the important functions of this saliva? So we shall discuss it one by one. That what is the importance of this saliva in our buccal cavity or in our oral cavity. So please look, the first important function, that the salivary gland, they secrete the alpha amylase. They secrete the alpha amylase, which is helpful in the digestion of the starch. In fact, the amylase, this is the enzyme which is helpful in the digestion of the starch. Secondly, the saliva, it contains, or help it helps in the lubrication. Lubrication means the movement, in the lubrication of our food material in the buccal cavity, so that properly it is mixed with the saliva, and the proper lubrication, proper movement, it takes place, so that it becomes easier for swallowing the food material. Then, thirdly, the third important function, that it keeps our oral cavity. It keeps our oral cavity moist, so that it protects the dryness of the buccal cavity. Fourth, the fourth important function, that it helps in the speech. In the speech. So how it helps in the speech? Because when it removes the dryness of the tongue, so that it helps in the proper movement of the tongue. And when there is the regular or the proper movement of the tongue, so it is helpful in the speech. And in this way the saliva is very very useful. Number 5, it keeps the oral pH value 7.0. pH value, the hydrogen ion concentration, that is 7.0, which prevents the enamel loss. Enamel means the upper shining part of our teeth, upper shining part of our tooth. It completely protects the shining part or the first layer, upper layer of our teeth. In this way, it prevents the decaying of our teeth. Then, it contains the enzymes like the lysosomes plus lactoferrin, which functions as the defense, or they have the immunity function. They perform the defense mechanism in our buccal cavity, so that the defense mechanism against the bacterial and different viruses. In this way, saliva is very very helpful as an antibacterial, antiviral, because it has the it has the defense function or protective function. In this way, the saliva is very very useful, and it helps in the digestion. It helps to make the food soft and easy for help to make it easy for swallowing. So this is regarding the saliva and the salivary glands. Thank you very much.